welcome back to my channel. My name is Sean, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the differences between the Brother PE535 and the Brother PE800 machines. So let's jump right into it. Hey guys, so I'm going to be looking down at my notes so I don't forget anything. So if you see me looking down, that's why, and I hope you can hear me okay over the embroidery machine. So starting off with designs and fonts, the PE535, this machine here, this one comes with 9 fonts and 90 embroidery designs, and the PE800 comes with 11 fonts and 138 designs. Now both of them have a LCD color touchscreen. Both of them are going to be about 3.7, 3.8 inches, so there's really not much difference there as far as the screens on each of the machines. Now the biggest difference between the two is going to be the hoop size. So the PE800 has a 5x7 max hoop size, whereas the PE535 only has a max hoop size of a 4x4. So really whatever you can fit into this hoop is going to be your max embroidery space, and actually it's going to be a little bit less than 4x4, more like 3.8 by 3.8 is going to be the max that you can embroider. The Brother PE800 also has a repositional hoop, which is this large hoop back here, and that is a 5x12. I will have to do a separate video on that because you have to, when you're digitizing, you have to split your design and you have to embroider it in 2 separate parts. So that'll be another video for another day, but I will show you how I use my repositional hoop on the PE800. So that's going to be the biggest difference, is the hoop size. So one thing to think about, if you're going to get into embroidering, or you're not sure which machine you want to purchase, I would definitely suggest don't just think about the right now, think about the future, months ahead, a year ahead. Will a 4x4 hoop be enough for what it is that you're trying to do? Are you just doing it for a hobby? Are you doing it for a business? Will you eventually outgrow a 4x4 hoop or not? So that's going to be something that you want to consider if you're trying to decide which machine you want to purchase. Both machines are embroidery only. So there are some embroidery sewing machine combos. Both of these machines are just embroidery only. There's no sewing option on either machine. Both machines have a USB port, so they're both right on the side of the machine, and so you can put your flash drive in there and transfer any designs from your computer to your machine. Next, the PE800, this machine here has actually been discontinued by Brother on their website, but you can still purchase it from Amazon. They actually have the PE900 out, and really the only biggest difference with that machine between the 900 and the 800 is going to be that the PE900 has a Wi-Fi option. So if that's something that you feel that you need, go for it. That machine is going to be a little bit pricier than this one. So that's something to think about too. Do you need a Wi-Fi option or not? Next, both machines have a automatic needle threader, which is amazing. Once you use it, you'll never want to go back to manually threading a needle. So the automatic needle threader, both machines have it and works really well. Now, as far as the price, so the PE535, you can get this one on Amazon for about $320, whereas the PE800 right now on Amazon is about $750. and the PE900 will run you about $1,150, almost $1,200. So there is a price difference there. Again, if you're not sure if you're going to maybe do embroidery as a business or if you're just doing it as a hobby, definitely consider that before you kind of jump off the deep end and purchase the most expensive machine and it's not something that you need. And on the flip side of that, you don't want to limit yourself to just the 4x4 hoop, because you would have to then purchase a different machine with a bigger hoop, as what happened with me. So I would definitely say both machines are really good for beginners. They're very beginner friendly. It really just depends on your budget, your price point, and what you're trying to do as far as embroidery, the size designs that you want to embroider. Those are things that you want to consider. Some of the differences I noticed with the machine, I noticed the PE800 is a little bit quieter than the PE535. Not by much. I mean, it's an embroidery machine, so it's going to make noise, but it is a little bit quieter and it does stitch faster. So those are two of the biggest things that I've noticed, especially when I'm running them side by side and they're both embroidering. This one is quieter and faster. So that is something to think about as well. Other than that, I didn't have any other major differences other than, of course, the hoop size. That's going to be your major difference. The 5x7 on the PE800 or the 4x4 on the PE535. So think about that before you make that purchase and make sure it's going to satisfy your needs and what you're going to be using it for. But that was all that I wanted to go over while I was in here working on some embroidery designs and some patches. If you have any questions, drop them below in the comments. I'll also have the machines and the supplies that I use linked below in the comment or in the description box as well. And then I will see you all in the next video. See y'all later.